How to fix refund not available on your Meta Horizon VR. Now, the easiest way to do this is on the Meta Horizon app on your mobile device. So once we've downloaded this here, we can then head over to the Meta Horizon app. And then from here, you want to click on the three lines in the top left. And then if we scroll down now till we see an option for purchase history, click on this here. And then for example, if I want to refund I Am Cat, I will click on the three dots. I will then click on request refund. And once we do this, what you will notice is that it does say refund not available. Now to fix this, we need to click on get help. And then it will bring you over to this information page. You can accept this, and then you want to scroll towards the bottom of this page here. And if we go towards the bottom, you will now see an option for get support. Click on this. And then it will bring you over to here. You can then log into your Meta account. And then what that will then do is it will then put you in contact. And what that will then do is it will put you in contact with the Meta support here. And then you can just explain to them that the game is not appropriate or whatever reason it is that you want a refund. And then they will then be able to assist you in getting a refund for that specific game if it is past the refund deadline. So it's just that simple, guys. That's how you can fix refund not available on your Meta Quest VR.